Welcome to a new episode of Model Airport Reviews. Before we move on to reviewing the first airport, I'd like to congratulate Bongo Planes with his Philadelphia International Airport for progressing to the grand finale, as his airport was voted the best from the previous episode. Now, to clear up some of your questions on how you can enter model airport reviews. It's currently not possible to register your model airport, though in about a month the new season of model airport reviews will start, and I will notify you through YouTube where and how you can sign up your model airport. The first airport of today is Evergreen Peaks International Airport, located at the Olympic Peninsula in Washington, the United States. It's a fictional town and he's built a lovely airport for it. All of the ground markings he has made very clearly using the Uniposca paint pens. The terminal he has built using Legos, which is a really budget-friendly option to create a nice airport terminal. In this image where we see in Alaska on final approach for the runway, he has very nicely edited the background to the mountains of Washington State. There is a lovely variety of model aircraft, all narrow bodies from the USA, on his airport, which look lovely, and it's a great airport to start with. Next we take a look at Semaka Regional Airport in Singapore. It's a very basic model airport consisting of a runway with some taxiway lines around it. And in this corner he's got some fighter jets, though the images he supplied look absolutely lovely. The image here of this Airbus A350 from Singapore Airlines looks very alive thanks to all of the ground service equipment around it. And the same goes for this Singapore Air Force Airbus A330, which looks lovely thanks to the pushback truck and all of the lights in the background. What I'm trying to say is, even though your airport isn't the most detailed, you can still make awesome images that look ultra realistic. Moving on, we go to Heathrow International Airport. He supplied some very cool images of his airport, for which he has used the Gemini Jets terminal, and the rest of the airport he built around it himself. At night the terminal beautifully lights up, creating a very cool effect and a fabulous background for this picture. I like the tropical vibe on this airport thanks to the palm trees, though it's located in England, so not sure how realistic that is. For the rest, the markings on the ground look cool. The ATC tower seems to be made out of wood, which is very cool to see. And he's even got an LED light installed on top of the ATC tower. Overall, I think Heathrow International Airport is definitely a contender to be in the grand finale. Next we take a look at HP International Airport, located in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. It's a 1:400 scale airport built mainly using Legos, and it looks absolutely lovely. A few cool details are the smoke coming off the tires as the aircraft lands on the runway. And he very nicely built an ILS box using Legos on the side of the runway. I like how he has created taxiway signs using Legos as well, which is a really unique and creative way to do that. There is a lot of greenery on his airport. He's got trees in between the aircraft stands. He's got a lot of modeling grass on his airport, and I also see a palm tree here. Overall, there are a lot of cool and unique details on this airport. Moving on to the United Kingdom, to London, we have New Bay International Airport. An airport in a 1:400 scale built to deal with the amount of traffic at London Heathrow each day. This picture from the night looks really nice as his terminal lights up from the inside, which he does using a LED strip. The ground markings on the airport look really nice. He added some rubber tire marks, taxiway outlines. I like the different tints of grey on the airport apron and the darker tint of grey on the taxiway. The terminal is self-built using cardboard, which looks really clean and nice. On the side of his terminal he has got this Concorde on display, which he has done very nicely. So overall, I think we're looking at a very nice airport. Next we take a quick look at Bop International Airport. It's located in North Macedonia and it's scale 1:4 and 500. The terminal is made out of cardboard and he has got a A380 stuck vertically up on the terminal. He's got a nice variety of planes with this Eurowings Cebu Pacific A321 and this TUI Dreamliner. And the cool detail on this airport that I very much like is this wind sack that he created using paper. The second last airport is Napoleon Bonaparte International Airport in Paris in France. A fictional replacement of Charles de Gaulle Airport. At night this airport also beautifully lights up thanks to lights installed inside of the terminal. Here we can take a closer look to the inside of the terminal, in which he has installed LED lights and an airport terminal interior. I very much like the image of this Air France being pushed back from its gate with all of the lights in the background. It looks awesome. Overall, I think once again a very nice model airport, which looks super realistic and unique thanks to the lights inside of the terminal. And finally, here we have Lunir International Airport located in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. This 1 to 500 scale airport is a hub for KLM. What I like about the airport is that he has different tints of grey. On the ground he has used a darker tint of grey for the taxiway, and for the airport apron he has used a lighter tint. And on the apron, using pencil, he has created these concrete tiles, which you see on any concrete airport apron. Also, he has got 3D printed ground service equipment, which looks great, though you could add a bit more because I cannot see any ground service equipment on this image. He's got good looking modeling grass on his airport to fill up the space between the taxiway and the runway. I think that Lunir International Airport is a great airport to close off with. That's it for today. Let me know which model airport you think should progress to the grand finale episode, where the best of the best airports compete for a grand prize. Now, thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. Please consider to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I will see you in the next video.